Red light. Okay, we are at breakfast. Ooh, they got pancakes. All right, this is hard, so I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. All right, so they got chicken stir fry, sausage, I got eggs, pancakes and chicken, oatmeal, and I'm about to get some syrup. This water is like brown. Come on, Jim. It's fine. You're Aggie. This is the vlog. We cannot use the camera this trip because shit is not working right. All right, it's Batty shot o'clock. Yeah, go! Food tour!
We have like the crackers, we do like a sandwich with them, or the only way that I recommend is go to ceviche. That's the best.
Ceviche with something in it. God knows. Hola. Hola. Mi camo es Skye. Mi llamo. Oh. Mi llamo es como es Skye. Mi llamo es Natalia. My name is Skye.
I don't think you said that
Oh,
right.
my shit. I said, oh, my shit. It's raining, but we're doing a food tour. couldn't really record everything because it's raining, like I said. All right. Fresh squeezed cranberry juice. Fresh made bread. The bread is so well.
Berry. En Colombia it's called uchuba.
Arriba. Baja, baja, arriba. Abajo. Adentro. Woo! Crank me. All right, we trying beer. Shit nasty, but clack. Wait.
I like to drink with Skye. Skye is my mate. I like to drink with Skye because she gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Day 3. It is so early. This is the fit, alright? My heels. My bog. So you guys, we are going on a boat tour to go see 4, 3, 5 different islands. I don't know, but it should be cool. And it's like, I wasn't gonna wear heels, but I just felt like, why not? Alright, so I'll see you guys when we get there.
Muy rica la langosta.
Just eating shit. You touched what, Kay?
I touched Pablo.
Hey now!
All you want. I want
Launch. Gracias. All right, so Tiana called us and said, "Batty, Batty, shot o'clock."
Batty, shot o'clock.
Period. Yo, we decided we wanted chicken. We recruited Alberto. Oh my God, Alberto is running from us.
Alberto was leaving us. Alberto is still wearing heels. And he's leaving us. No, he's not leaving. He's coming good. That's a good he turned on his signal. Okay. That's a good
Yo.
We said this. Running for his life. Yo.
I turned around like this Alberto, like. Oh my God, this is crazy. Colombia is crazy, y'all. If you don't speak Spanish, you don't need to come here.
If you don't speak English, you don't need to be coming to America. Like,
Yeah.
I cannot believe there are people that live in our country and don't speak English.
Yeah, you. This is a really hard country to survive in without Spanish. No one speaks English, and everybody is like.
And then you're talking to them in English, and they're
Yeah.
literally having a full-blown conversation with you. In
Everybody is like, yeah, I don't get that. Talks back in Spanish, and I'm like, baby, we don't get that. It's crazy here. I'm not gonna lie. So we're at KFC. They got different shops on the ground level. Super cute. Candy store, jewelry store, and then a swimsuit store. How cute is my aluminum foil purse? I literally went to breakfast and the guy was like, oh, you want to take empanadas to go? I said, yeah. He was like, here you boo. So I got an empanada purse. Because I'm that cool. Alright, so I know I haven't been doing much talking in this vlog, and that is simply because my camera did some foo-foo shit and you cannot hear the sound. So that kind of irritated me. So I've just been kind of just recording what I can on my phone without trying to take up all my storage. So that's, you know, the difference with this vlog is I don't have my proper equipment to record how I like to record. But it's okay, we improvise anyway. And I'm literally not hating the quality of the phone, so. But yeah, that's why I'm not doing like too much talking. I'm just kind of just showing y'all what we're doing, trying to get snippets because my phone is dying. I also need my phone to communicate with my group and the taxis and for money. Just, you know, just trying to utilize one thing for multiple things has just been a little hard. I couldn't post anything on Instagram really because trying to post it on Instagram and record it is literally impossible. So we are just here with vibes. So all right, I think we're doing a volcano mud bath tour. So
This is slippery, be careful, ladies. One more step, one more step. More step. One more step, ladies. One more.
Ready, one more step.
One more step. Sindo, please. Sindo, please. Lie back. Lie back, ladies. Lie back. Lie back, ladies. Take your flow, ladies. Take your flow. Okay.
okay, so we attempted to come to this umbrella place, but it just started freaking raining. We ended up running into a bar under an umbrella, so we're about to take a shot because we on that Betty shot o'clock. And then we're gonna get Italian food. You'll get pizza or pasta. Pasta probably, for sure. We'll see y'all when the shots come out. All right, we're getting wet trying to record for y'all. So, yes. Batty shot o'clock.
I got the whole freaking shot.
She like nasty. No me gusta. There you go. Yeah. I need a juice, not a lot. Oh, try now. Cheers. We already digged in because y'all know we greedy. Everybody loves their food. What do you think? 1 to 10.
10.
10?
8.
8? What do you think?
10.
What do you think?
Definitely
1 to 10. Okay. What do you think? 1 to 10.
7.5.
What do you think?
10.
Really like my salmon raviolis, and I'm gonna go 9.9 out of 10.
You're annoying. 9.
Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching.